these 2 to 4 inch pipes were completely caked, and you just have to use a jetter. My name's Michael Yeager. I'm the Director of Engineering. I started here about 2.5 years ago. What I do is facilities management and project management. I've heard 10+ years that State Chemical has been here. Most of the hotels I've worked at have been out west, like Montana and Wyoming. Problems we've had there was grease buildup, but more so than what we experience here. Here, we get some grease, but probably less now. And then every now and then, I mean, you get your occasional buildup, something stuck in the drain. There's a number of chemicals that we use. A-salt helps us out with our urinals. There's been Destroy, and then Primezyme. You know, things that break down some of that, the organic materials, and you know, that gets rid of some of the bacteria and the odors. And it's been very helpful. The State Chemical has been truly professional in their field, masters of the craft. They know what they're doing. Take care of their properties, you know, makes it easier for them and our hotel. Customer satisfaction is great. It's good for business.